Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Let us talk about the weekly outlook of the markets. We will start with dollar and let us see what it has done on weekly chart. So on weekly chart, it has missed to mitigate the order block properly. Anyhow, it went down. Now it has taken this relative equal lows and it has made this particular wick here, which took the mitigation from this particular order block. We will see what it is doing on smaller time frame. So let us remove. Let's see what it is doing on 4 hours. So on 4 hour it has taken these relative equal lows. So on 4 hour it has taken these particular relative equal lows. After taking mitigation from this particular demand zone and taking the support, it went up on 4 hours. Still short to mitigate this particular order block. But let's see what it has done. It has started to create a buy trend. Okay. Went up, took this high, went down, took this mitigation. So it is very clear that dollar has to go up at least to do the mitigation of this particular order block, this supply zone. But above this supply zone, if we look closely, we can see that there are a number of double tops and bottoms. So it is a zone of relative equal highs. So I will wait to see the reaction here. Personally, what I think, it will go above it and take out all the liquidity until at least this level, at least up to 100. But let's see what the week ahead is giving us. Okay, now EURUSD. On 4-hour chart, EURUSD has taken this and this particular relative equal highs, this one and this one. Cleared this liquidity, although it has not taken any resistive support resistance from this particular supply zone because it never reached there, but it has cleared this liquidity and then it started to break down aggressively, giving us a break of structure on the downside. Now on 4-hour chart, our demand is here, so it can come a long way to take out this particular demand, but the catch is it has created some sort of demand zone here itself. So during this week, what we will be looking is, we have a supply zone here. If this stays and gives us a good reaction, then we can expect price to drop up to this particular demand zone. So we will follow the price action during the week. We want a break of structure at this particular point and then to retest this supply zone to go down up to this demand zone. We will see what price will give us during the weekend, and as per the price action, we will form our intraday biases. But this overall picture is clear to me now. Dollar is going up and euro is coming down. Let's see about GBP. Okay, on 4-hour, GBP has completed market maker sale model. It took this and this. So this was the consolidation. Then this was the first leg up, then this was the second stage of accumulation to send the second stage of leg to the upside. Here they did this some sort of consolidation. This is the profit booking, then aggressive break of structure towards downside. So this is buy side of the curve. Now from 1st July it has started to break down and it has taken this liquidity last week, completing sell side of the curve. So this is what it is right now. After completing this liquidity level, GBP has created some sort of consolidation here, went up, mitigated this particular rejection wick, now on the left side there is a lot of liquidity available here, but this is a strong candle. We will see what it is in a smaller time frame to get a clear idea. But this here is relative equal lows, which can be a good liquidity target. Anyways, moving back to 4-hour chart, GBP is not that much clear as Euro and DXY because it has just completed its sell side model, market maker sell model, and now it is in some sort of consolidation, indicating it is going to go down because after mitigation of this particular wick here somewhere, it has given this break of structure. Maybe during the week it can mitigate this supply zone to go further down to this level. We will see. So in GBP also my weekly bias is bearish, but I will see what price action does. Now let us talk about gold, and we will talk about gold with the weekly perspective chart. So after making all-time new high at around 3,500 levels, gold is still in a consolidation state on weekly chart. Let's see on 4-hour. This supply zone is some sort of a strong supply zone. We have relative equal lows down here. Now recently price has cleared this buy side liquidity, and price has started to break down after clearing this sell side liquidity. Took the have not taken any mitigation, but in fact it has making another relative equal lows, went up. I think it will do mitigation of this particular area and then it should start to fall down. Weekly target can be 3,245. After that we have some sort of demand available. Yes, so for this particular week I am bearish on gold. Let's see, we will see what price action gives to us. Oil, 4-hour outlook, oil is moving due to geopolitical issues, and when the instrument is moving due to geopolitical issues, it will never give us a clear idea of what it is doing. So let us start with BTC weekly outlook. On recent weekly outlook, BTC has made a new high on 4-hour after breaking of this particular consolidation area. It has not looked back, started to go up. All right. Okay. So my weekly outlook is, since price gave this breakover structure, went up, did some sort of mitigation here, came back down, given another breakover structure, maybe from here to here, here, and then ultimate target. This is what I am looking for. I am pretty bearish in yes, I am pretty bearish in BTC. Let me see what it is doing on 15 minutes. So this has been taken. There is this relative equal highs available. It can come up to 22 again, but let's see. Went down, went up. This is also sort of relative equal highs on 15 minutes, but let us stick to 4 hours. So yes, it can go up one more time, but my bias for BTC is bearish, and I will be targeting at least 100,000 levels for not only this week, maybe week after. But I'm not that much convinced that it will continue to go up, and I think this 110 is most likely. If it goes below 98, then 86 is the target, if this happens. Otherwise, let's see what it is going to give us. We will see during the market also. We will see what BTC is giving. Ethereum weekly outlook pretty bullish. 4 hour. Oh my god. We have some sort of supply available here. Let's see its reaction. Maybe it will give us some reaction up to this level, but I cannot say clearly. We will see Ethereum during the week what it is going to do. Solana weekly outlook. Have on weekly level some sort of again supply available here. Let's see. So that's it, guys. This is my weekly outlook of different instruments. I am bearish on euro and GBP and gold. On all three assets I am bearish. Even in on BTC also I am bearish, but we will analyze it again during the week to see what market wants to give to us. If you like the analysis, hit the like button, subscribe, comment.